And I noticed when he said that I was chewing off the side of my mouth because I haven't been able to do that in over 20 years. And so when I bit into it, I was like, ah. Yeah, it's like, and I was waiting for something to hurt, you know, but it didn't hurt.
Smile.
Yeah. Looks better than her. I'm eating a Tootsie Roll. And it's not sticking in my braces. And my teeth are all straight and top and bottom. I'll get it out of here, Mike's filming me. Wow. Yeah.
Okay, signing off. That's a good day.
Sit. Attaboy. Down there and stand by. Take a picture and stand by.
There's Steve on his rock. He's telling me to come over there, and he's got his braces off today. And he can chew stuff again. He's very happy. Very happy now. Hi, Hershey. Come on, let's go see Steve. One rock. Go stand by that rock, Steve. I know. Go stand by that rock over there. Lay down on the dirt. Step it off. Each stride's 2.5 foot. That's too much. Too much.
Okay, 3.
Just a regular walk. That's 5, 10, 12 foot long, about 12 foot long and about 2 foot wide, 3 foot wide maybe, 2.5.
Yeah.
And probably stand beside it with your hip or whatever.
3 feet tall.
Okay, so it's 12 by 2 by 3. That rock. That's
Board.
You're too close. Just a minute. But they're not like those boulders up on the... Nobody.
That's huge.
A lot of great rocks. Great rocks. Yeah, I told him that the contract that he signed there,
This is the size we need.
man, that thing starts zooming by itself. Zooming!
Come on, Hirsch. Get down here. A lot of rocks.
On the hillside there too. I'm gonna go down by the creek bed and look at a couple big rocks down there.
Breaking these babies up. No, Hirsch. What are you doing?
Hershey, stop.
No.
No. Quit. No! No! That might be human shit.
No, Hirsch. He's got it all over him first.
Good dog. Why couldn't you get that one over there?
No.
Oh.
He took out here the other day.
Huh?
He took out here the other day.
You?
Yeah. How about he get down? Go out that way?
Yeah. If I was gonna go get it, I'd go down that way. Yeah, it's got a good looking rock. There's a rock there, we can get that one. There's plenty of room for that 966 or whatever the hell he's got. There's a bunch of them back here. Now if he can't get this, he's retarded. Since I know he can get it, he's not retarded. You get that, those, that one beside it. It's a good looking rock. After all, we're paying him for it. We just get what we want. Right? Yeah. Look, there's a bunch of them in here. Probably ought to be careful walking around here. That big old boulder. That's huge.
You could dig down, put this one anywhere you want. I told Mom about that guy that said, well, who was that was telling us that the house was falling away? Who was that?
Oh. I know, I remember what you're talking about.
Put this big long one right here. All along that one wall there, it's straight. This stack rock on top of that.
Yeah, we'll make it look good. Anything on this piece of property you can get.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.